how to use Betfred's cash out feature. If you'd like to use Betfred's cash out feature, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do for that is we have to simply go ahead and then open up our browser first of all and go to betfred.com, and when you go to betfred.com you also want to make sure to log into your account by clicking the login option from the top right hand side. Now after you are logged in, what happens over here is that you have to simply go ahead and then go to the cash out section. So for the custom bets also, you'll find the cash out button right over here on the right hand side. Then you have to log in to access your cash out bets, and once you select the cash out you can add them to your bets, and once they're added to your bets you'll be able to use the cash out feature. This is how you can use the cash out feature on Betfred. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.